na so do no e yodo kan a eni kwan se fedi eni kwan se bibia timi ma odo no etete yentem o kan Bible say ye da so ye eneboyefo no Kristo be wu man e na modo odo ye nti enti irrespective of nipa wo se wo do no de obey obia no se ujitu se wo do na obetimi amuan ade a chem to dey ase enti obi jaw no ka to say odo but e bia say ni se wo boa
oh be printing e bia nipa no class so bi a wonko e ba ne se wo ni wo school na wo ni
wa media no enya asori bi a wonko ye tie ho ase ana bi a just nipa ho o twa ntro kire ba me sika me to emission fa exam ka cho se ma me hye de ni sika bebre me hu ye hin na matu
wache na meta ma
metadi wache pa me hu ye hin na matu ana tra asori a me koni se ni na me pa
onya mo yue bomba ni bi me papa ni president
me tro be dem
me trazako
no me false identity me nya sa
onya mu bi
se me wo bi a me ma me ni bi a me ka jo enti ne se bi a me no start ye do na se bi a financially me stable kakra na upon the me kan no wote ma se na all of a sudden me bi a be bom na se me financial stableness na akofom na se nti wo jami it means that how ba no nyo ba papa
okay
that's ma se
okay
na te so on no me na mo bi a na wo me hu obenye nti na
go ohwehwe nti na oba ye
good
okay papa
ana bi nso ha it me about versa enya se bia wo do nipa ni nti ye wo mema ni bi ni mani bu asa bia bru se benya do wo magini wo mu ana emu ha yes te se bia se bi mamenka wo de ti guy ha se bi wo koso ekuma o se on pe tumu no be ma o don't you don't have to follow that
oh that be we
but you ba we sensible a wo be ma obeboa and they want me mfa petty things bi ebi oye ebia o friend no na say bia why busy no can say be friend why busy ebi nso na adwuma na oye na o say me guy be friend why busy in time dey jana you are not doing the right thing
okay
good answer
okay
nti no say we na solid bibia wo nipa ne bet menya negative effect on you
okay
and son what to make na so ka say na me do no but ade a wo ye nti no me cha
okay
that is it
okay
thank you
akosia
oba
se me jidi se woni sikapa eya adwene wo insi
me shara ne ya
ya de bacho
na me twa mo aba me so
yes
our baby e o ka say e ma etanya broken heart that is not true
okay
yeah share the sensitiveness of a person and as a human being okay yeah na nim say women and girls and ladies are more sensitive. I make ye pon free ejuma. Ana ye coach na station e na emo adu wo. Me pon coffee na mani age. But just me who emo na just came around me no mo bagu me wono. It changed my mood. Okay, and to say what I say ema ye broken. It's not that. It's just that a man nyama du wo wa ye hu na e shem. E me man bi so wo ho so no the same as human being women because you remember go so too emotional but the emotionalistic that you get from the lady side no too low too high na na ubenya wo me man side cuz make us no o kasa no man kasa da bi tobo
mam 2 seconds
ye shema da bi akosia say ye
sikapa se and then be new date mini sikapa e date oh
na
se enye me na mini
oh me pema so me no
sika wo kasa no ma wo kai me ma wo kasa it me slow
denja me kasa ne se ho denja me kasa ne se ho o he kroma e we ya ho ene ga na yo we e memma no ene timi hozere enye sika mota ne ma no do e ma no bebre na ya den e pre enye sika. What I say?
Okay.
But 21st century girls now bam. O many was come more. What I say? And the idea of Nichi, can be as a gay, Meti, Miss Percy, won't you fine? Kakra woman. What I say? Semi approaching now. Although you are the mamma, and can messiah man attention, Miss Andono, on Obama, and the Cobasa be free number of Buma, and that's no more. Me say no me partner me dog because a woman.
Okay.
What I say? Possibility say oba benyesika ahe bema no low than say bema benyesika oba. Though e bi was but yes it is there. But and man no mo ba no. The entire metro so munya broken heart to check mema ne say most of the ladies of today are not dependable.
No, do you know why?
They don't depend on themselves. They depend on a man for survival.
It's not that. It's not with
and you can
you sue me as machine now. Me came back man or sex. Morning you want me to be there to give you sex. You even want me to and I'll be payment. You know, say maybe I'm not working. Okay. If I'm not working, that is when the guy comes in to do everything to any other partner friend or say, baby, can't you come over? Only a Juma into your back. Of course, when you don't give him money, where should she get the money from? Okay. That is when sometimes do you not say most ladies in this town or in Ghana here that even sleeps with sugar daddies to give it to their boyfriend, to give it to their boyfriend.
At the end of the day, no. Who what is camera, Bema?
Let's just say, so everyone.
Remember you know. Remember you know.
Let me tell you.
Yeah, remember you know.
No.
Remember you know. Remember you are not muda. Obey say a great businessman. Mama kasi me 2 minutes. 2 seconds.
Se Bema kwa na
omo 2 seconds.
Omo sacrifice omo ho hwe ba de na
no 2 seconds.
Me no nya.
Remember nyankopa say that boy wo me nyansa no ye nyina psychologically no. Ye nya agreement to say great businessman. What I say? Okay. Businessman man say obetima invest over $400 million. Sika na be share mfa no. What I say?
Okay.
Tana ye nyina ye tie. And you know most of the men ni bi wo ha. Upon sika de be ma wo oba no. A obeja ne mfa no ho. Ofa kire obenya who is more than you. But to say the say obetimi ni sugar daddy akwa bibie nya sika brebe ma. Wo akwa down. Ya burum, what ya command we jaw. Ubesu because you suffered for that money.
Okay.
What I say, and it has been wasted. Nothing came out of it. And more. But man, to be frank, most of the young guys around this world, we are playboys and play guys and play whatever. Yeah, playboys. And you know, of late, you trap that broken heart. 2022. Bema beba bonta beka
21st century Bema.
No, make 2022 going. Bema beba bonta be video. Hey Rama no. That Bema no. I see ya den call yi. Adu fire ko check na adwini mu because the guys no psychologically ya nyini. Oja say ya nyini.
Okay.
Senior girls no omo ba no. Just ye ko. Enti no e ma atanya komate e twa member. He, opa yen work e kwelebe price ye fan Pythagoras theory. Ubon say ni nyina baba point -1. E man baba.
Do you know why?
Share. Come here.
Sikapa.
No broken heart.
What the assembly about?
Say kase broken heart, okay? Broken heart talks of the emotions of someone. So mimi twe I'm too emotional and I'm too sensitive. And say be kwa we madam for na e bia we my dear I would hurt. Well, my dear, I wasn't expecting that from you. I would be hurt. But do you know why? He's saying say managing much of the broken heart. It's not that. Emma, you are my friend. Me date sikapa. Me need sikapa date. I'm in broken heart. Me buy a no straight up. Part. When him say Kwame so ni mejai. What it?
Yes.
Now crocrom na miso part intina me ye ni na echi no ti kwa me ni meja na wate
okay
onso be ko baby no me friend baby say na akosua ne kwa me da so ho akosua ne kwa me kohwe akosua so osu na spread but we have most of the young men say if they go through these emotions they don't tell any friend ono ko ho na dan for now be hardcore I just saw be our ben no I know who name into one of us man your face not fine man your face be like this but Emma dear you know Emma it's not a magic or concern because when we sit down what the topic ever is if it's broken heart if it's what or baby crowds meaning the guy could do you could do your ba me say ne de kwame ne de kwame and those meaning and the Spanish not answer them bow and that's so it's I don't know okay advice the free about but be my dear oh no obani ne je ko no ko be on kasa asego but when the gents
okay
you try to play hard and when he's playing hard obehun ba ko bi onim ne ko no onim no ba kasa Charlie your face no make fine why what be the matter Charlie no be anything just that I make sure I make hot no cover ma
oba dia bo
but now kwa me ni na all throw on the stage does say
me family last words into na
okay
share generation we no Kofi Duro be say generation we ya
Valentina moya
Prophet Kofi Duro ono be catch us the generation we say ya and you know eni kwa say odokra bi
okay
yeah
and here from more perspective and I say
mechanic general
no what kind of general say
mechanic general
we still have people who have been in a relationship for so long that they are still going and they are still in a relationship that they are cool, they are perfect. So you can't tell, say.
Papa, I need you won't mean any general, sir, because we should be team.
I want to be specific here.
Oh, so be a come. Maybe I won't get to work.
I have food to and I'm
Sir, do you know something?
Now, when to swing to your home and your woman to cook.
And they're torn and two of the end.
What I say? Be a generation. Oh. Generation behind it a possible.
Okay.
And then sometimes psychologists near ready 17 send a buyer 16 send a buyer generation we send a bad catch was generation we say the ankaze and worry I know but generation we say and talk because generation when be your daughter go do we tell you heaven crabable
na no
but me ba and me catch them in general generation we generation we see old Rebecca generation we one shot aduma papa kro nya bi no ayi no
na mbema no dia
generation we also the generation we be bra we tell you kura na ye di afre ni ye di bi mo wa kom me kan kura chro generation ye odo generation generation we ye in the generation I am telling you on a very serious note 2 minutes na me come generation we ye mistake odo ebe mo afun aka tia and you know, I did make catching we are seeing in generation we say this is not the right time to laugh.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, any daho. Only the any man daho to me. Any daho a trophy amanim. Any daho trophy and muasim, any daho a musica. And my ultimate build up a family. We in shira. Why? Because Samim Shiao. Na many tawa. Meant me but time me come say motion and mouth. But me no ben nante say the whole panel. Me try say me yamo. I'm always when yaji. But some me do dear. No, never.
Okay, so Papa I am braining to know yes me. What also advice kakra
oba me advice no say me ni sikapa enya adwen. But the only thing is he is giving his advice. But the only thing is son na me kano when you are dating or you are when you come a DPH, it also makes the sense, okay? Say baby I mean for no and the best boy me and I say boy me and our boy no or be play me and I say yeah me na no or the me ever come in future what should I expect? Okay. Is it that and check you may break it up into you know I remember one idea be when most start relationship not offer not I love you now so I love you son never any then that could more call now I love you and I love you now I say and to her but I love you and never by force I miss you and never by force and then if you get into a relationship and you think say oh my God I don't want to go into full I don't want to use my heart I mean when the young say tell it you are free to go but ladies you not broken heart it's just that we are so
I could share die
yeah kind of 100% million for money and say oba and faking so oba be so yeah but you can't say you can't remember if they are 10% we'll get like maybe 4% but you be ma obenya oba obehweka ne boy no ya na dey kiss I don't know if you've heard the story say oba bi etimi ka say kwa me na ko fini eyi gina ha say eni ntia me ya etija we get it
yes
and same partial o relationship mu na say wonim say relationship no ebe ko ye wan ko yo enfo akoma ndan ko te ajo de chemu mi for half to feel
okay
na ankoye half
na endie madam say beto ensa efrem no munya embre e de ba me enchira mo ebusiafo akosia sparkles na efutio kakra odi amaye se wo ye oba na se wo ko relationship mu a hwe na wa mfa wakoma nyina anko wo de wakoma ekohye mu a ye beye wade na wo besu so papa na ebusiafo megidi se nkomo na ayamudeyie papa na so ha sei na embre no ebe ma me kwan se me di djumedie ni nyina ebesi University Foundation na eso masne ma me di djumedie nyina ebrewo mi a me sanso edi djumedie ni ho twea me di ya biem ane adepa part me da obi bia ase